Hello kids, welcome to my another video. Today we will learn D, E, F and counting number 4, 5, 6. This is D, this is E, this is F. This is 4. This is 5. This is 6. This is lemon yellow color. This is lemon yellow color. This is green color. This is green color. This is blue color. This is blue color. This is orange color. This is orange color. This is purple color. This is purple color. And this is red color. And this is red color. This is D. This is D. D for dog. D for dog. And D for duck. This is D. D for dog and or D for duck. This is E. E for egg or E for elephant. This is E. E for egg and E for elephant. This is F. F for fruits or F for football. This is F. F for fruits or F for football. This is 4. F-O-U-R, 4. This is 4. F-O-U-R. This is 5. F-I-P, 5. This is 5. F-I-P, 5. This is 6. S-I-X, 6. This is 6. X-I-X, 6. This is D. D for dog or D for duck. This is E. E for egg or E for elephant. This is F. F for fruits or F for football. This is 4. F-O-U-R, 4. This is 5. F-I-V, 5. This is 6. S-I-X, 6. Hello kids, like my video and subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching my video. Tata.